For the first time, I can say that I'm very unhappy being in Hargeisa. I never said this before. It looks like a war zone. What you see behind me is a devastated city. Hargeisa used to be a center of vibrancy, trade. It used to be a big hub. And to see all of that has been built by these resilient people for over 30 years go up in smoke overnight is truly heartbreaking. I am here primarily to reassure our partners in the government, in the Somaliland society, in the civil society, the business community, and all those affected that the UN is here and we are in this together. Those are by far the most affected. So as soon as we ascertain the numbers and the data gets disaggregated, we will coordinate very closely with the government to see to it that the UN contributes to the alleviation of the suffering of the most affected.